Hey yo, stocks 5150. Oh boy, we are back. We are live. Had the fan on me because it's hot. I need to turn my AC on, but I'm letting my house air out because it's been raining a lot. House gets stuffy, et cetera, et cetera. Speaking of stuff, this market is stuffing me, man. Look at this. This thing is. I got it on the 1 minute because I already talked about it earlier. But SoFi had their earnings and they had good numbers and it still dropped. Look at this, right quick. SoFi had good earnings and the price still collapsed. This market don't want to be up. This market wants to be down. Wants to be down, down, down. Wrong one. I'm really, I don't know what that is. Kind of kicking myself because I'm in this. I chose to swing trade for July. Rather, I chose to stick with this trade. I need to quit fabricating. I chose to stick with the trade that I was in. All right, so we're open. We're live. This is first candle. Huge doji. Huge range. Put that volume down. Like that. Yeah, that's a huge range right there. Look at that. From 27,951 to 27,983. Good grief. How many points is that? Whew, still dropping. Second one dropped lower. That is 87 points. 87 points to the upside. To get that. I mean, I really should really get. I gotta once this swing is over, I'm done. I got one more day, 2 more days, and that's it. Cause look at that, man. Could be making some money on a counter trend on that. But we've been bearish, so you actually would want to go short there. Either way, look at this. What do we get? Stopped out. Would have got stopped out right there. So I would have went in and went long there. But look at this. Put it up to the counter trend. But we're pushing down further. That's where we at. Down, down, down. Opening move is a push down. That's what the market wants. That's what it has for us. It's more downside. Today we got FMOC at 2 o'clock, and we got some earnings. They loaded this week up. They know exactly what they're doing, but whatever, yo. So that would be 30, 40 points right there to make some money. Should be making some money, but I'm not because I'm in this stupid swing. I'm just holding on. Look at that, bam. Would have got that. I got to get back to trading again. As soon as July is over and I'm finished fucking off this money, I'm gonna get back to it. Make all this back in August. That's my challenge. My challenge is August through September is to make all this money back. Watch. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, boy. Watch you see. Just watch me. Oh yeah, look at that. Went right back up. Well, we got that money. So that opening trade would have worked out for me. Look at that. There you go. Push. Upside, what I feel like gonna happen today, pre-market, well, not pre-market, but pre-FMOC. I think that I think I marked this out. We'll probably get back to these highs right here. Well, these ain't highs, but this overnight high. We'll probably get back to here. Which on the fib, that was 61.8 I had. Got this marked out. So yeah, we'll probably get to 61.8 back to this level before the FMOC. We'll just stay around here. I don't foresee us pushing up too far, like up in here. So probably get back to here, chop around until we got at 10 o'clock, 10:30, whatever. We got the oil revenue that comes in, not oil revenue, but let's look at it. We got the crude oil inventories at 10:30. So that'll make the market move at 10:30, probably downside. Oil is at 84 right now, which is not bad. All right, we're making a slight run up. 400 so far. Let's go. Man, if we get back up to 30,000, that'll be perfect. I would be so happy. I mean, like happy. I promise you, I won't be saying nothing like, "Oh man, I told you I'm smart," because that ain't what I'll feel. But what I will feel is relief because you see what this order is at, 30,850. Then I would get out, and that ain't even gonna give me a lot because this is with five contracts. Now I'm only down to two, down to three, so that'll give me. And I don't even know why that was there. Let's see something. What is going on here? It keeps pushing my orders down. I had it for 30,000 or something. 30,057 is where I went in. 35, yeah, that would be nice. Put this on there. Weekly, the high was 30,300. So we'll expect to go 30,300. Go 30,400. 30,400. That's our order. Yeah, that's what we're gonna leave it at. But right now, that's a long ways away. And honestly, I'm talking at 30,300 stuff, but 30,400. But that'll mean I'm gonna have to swing because that's not gonna happen like right away. But yeah, one never knows. Right now, though, we're between this range here. All right, stocks 5150, yo. That's what we got for the market open. Oil revenues coming up, and see, we already was up 400. Now that's already gave that back. Market flip flops and rips and drops, drips and drops, ups and downs. Probably gonna get margin call already been margin called three times already, two times already. Closing out my positions for me. Which shout out to Tasty Trade not letting me go completely, bro. I'm damn sure getting close. Put this on the 15 minute. Actually, I'm gonna close this stream out because I got somewhere to go. Somewhere to go, something to do. We see what the opening range was. Could have made 400, but we gave it back. Swing trade. Still at the bottom of this range, and like I said, that's probably where we're going to trade at between this. Look at this. Actually, this is what we're probably going to do. Trade between here and there. That's looking like what we're going to do. So let's go. Stocks 5150. Stocks crazy. Shall I leave this on the 15? I'll come back and check it out. All right. Peace. And Kevin Warsh will be talking today too. Should be